SUMO Insight Global, the channel to encourage reading, awakening knowledge. The hidden science of the apple. You have certainly heard the old saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But what science reveals behind this fruit goes way beyond the obvious. Behind a simple bite, there is a fascinating biochemical engineering acting directly inside your cells. Today, we are going to crack the hidden science of the apple. The big secret of the apple lies in the synergy of two extraordinary compounds, quercetin and pectin. Quercetin hinders fat accumulation in the arteries because it prevents your intestine from absorbing bad cholesterol. Meanwhile, the peel is incredibly rich in pectin, a fiber that reduces the activity of the enzymes responsible for manufacturing cholesterol inside your liver. Together, they work with phenolic compounds that neutralize free radicals directly at your cellular membrane. But what exactly is pectin? Unlike other molecules, it does not have a single exact chemical formula. It is a complex polymer, a structural polysaccharide found naturally in the cell walls of plants that provides rigidity to plant tissues. Since our bodies cannot digest it, it transforms into a powerful soluble dietary fiber bringing 5 major benefits. Digestive health. It functions as a prebiotic, feeding the good gut bacteria and strengthening immunity. Intestinal regulation. It absorbs water and works on both ends, alleviating diarrhea and also combating constipation by softening the stool. Cholesterol and blood sugar control. It binds to cholesterol and bile acids in the digestive tract, aiding elimination, while slowing down carbohydrates to prevent blood sugar spikes. Satiety. It forms a gel in the stomach that delays gastric emptying, keeping hunger far away. In cooking, this ability to form a gel when combined with sugar and acid makes it the key ingredient to provide texture to jams, marmalades, yogurts, and processed juices. On the other hand, quercetin is a unique and well-defined molecule. It belongs to the flavonoids class, specifically to the flavonols subgroup. It is the natural pigment that gives color to many plants and flowers. What defines its biological power are its chemical branches, the presence of 5 hydroxyl groups and a ketone function. As a polyphenol, its hydroxyl groups donate electrons to unstable free radicals, neutralizing them. By doing so, quercetin transforms into a quinone, which is chemically stable and completely harmless to cells. Furthermore, it acts in metal chelation, binding to heavy free iron and copper ions to prevent them from catalyzing harmful reactions inside your body. The practical benefits are remarkable. It is a powerful antioxidant against cellular aging and a potent anti-inflammatory force that inhibits COX-2 enzymes. Want more? It has a natural antihistamine effect, stabilizing defenses against rhinitis and asthma, protects the heart by relaxing blood vessels with nitric oxide, and acts as a zinc ionophore, helping zinc enter the cell to block viral replication. If we isolate exactly 100 grams of apple in a laboratory, the technical profile reveals 84.4 grams of pure water and 14.2 grams of carbohydrates. In micronutrients, we find 40 international units of vitamin A, 45 micrograms of B1, 100 micrograms of B2, and 8 milligrams of vitamin C. The Gala variety is so dense that a single medium unit can deliver half of all the vitamin C an adult needs for the entire day. In minerals, the highlight goes to potassium, with an impressive 127 milligrams, followed by phosphorus, sodium, magnesium, and iron. It is this mineral arrangement combined with malic acid that cleanses metabolic residues directly from your blood. But pay close attention to the warnings from medical literature. First, there is an ideal dosage. Consuming 1 apple a day activates your biological shields. However, eating more than 3 apples a day can saturate the body and undo these positive actions. Less is more. Second warning, apple seeds contain amygdalin, a substance that transforms into cyanide, a highly toxic compound, only when it comes into contact with human digestive enzymes. However, the risk of accidental poisoning from swallowing a few seeds isolated is practically zero. The body tolerates these traces without damage, but intentional consumption of the core with seeds should be avoided. Which variety should you buy? Green lacks anthocyanins in the peel, making it very tart and perfect for technical culinary use. Gala, the champion in antioxidants, firm and very juicy. Fuji, Japanese genetics, super crunchy and aromatic. Red Argentine, low water content, white pulp, and turns mealy if it gets overripe. The golden rule is clear: always eat it with the peel. The peel has 5 to 10 times more active substances than the pulp. If you enjoyed this detailed scientific analysis, leave your like down below, subscribe to the channel, and comment. What is your favorite apple variety? See you in the next video.